Hey everybody, this is Wakefield from True Online Wealth, and uh, this is another video about getting traffic to your website because that's the most common problem I see. So anything about traffic, I'm more than likely going to do a video on it because I want you guys to get eyeballs to your websites, squeeze pages, landing pages, blogs, websites, offers, whatever. So this place right here is called Freesafelistmailer. And like it says, get fast results with our free, clear, and responsive safe list. Now, I'm here to tell you, this site right here is very active as far as getting human eyeballs on your website because they gonna see your ad. People are really gonna see your ad, but you just gotta keep staying consistent with it. I mean, you gotta realize that other people trying to sell their stuff too. But you can get signups with this site if you're consistent. Now you'll get some credits when you first start. I don't know if you're gonna get as many as when I did. I don't even remember how many I got because I don't had this account for so long. So I don't know what a new sign up will get as far as credit goes. But as you can see, it's 45,000 members on this site, and every time you mail, they give you some credits too. But with this site here, you gotta look at 10 ads, maybe not the first time you do your first mailing, but after that, you gotta look at 10 messages, and then you'll be able to mail out again, which is it don't take hardly no time to do. I prefer a Gmail account. Usually when you sign up for Safelist, you have to fill in a contact email and a list email. Now, your contact email is where you get mostly contacts from the company, which is Freesafelist. The list mail is the message you're going to get from all the other members. If I were you, like I say, I would use a Gmail account, and I would make two, especially if you're going to sign up for more than one safe list or traffic exchanges or whatnot. Make one email for just all the different safe lists you join. Make you a list email and a contact email. So that way, whatever your primary inbox is, you won't have all that clutter mixed in with your very important emails, like your friends and family and stuff. Don't mix that in. I mean, you can, but I mean, I would recommend all your safe lists and traffic exchanges have those going to separate Gmail accounts. But this site right here though, it's a good place to market whatever offer you got. And it's free to sign up. And they got classified advertising board, banner ad rotator, personal affiliate funnel. Me, I just use the credit mailer, but I mean they got other ways for you to market your offer or product. So it's free to join. This is one you most definitely don't want to sleep on. You most definitely want to sign up for free and take advantage and try to be consistently active marketing whatever it is you got. So with that being said, I'm gonna put my affiliate link below this video, and I'm also gonna put a link to my blog so you can see all of the opportunities I got that's online and offline. And you also can see other marketing resources that I have in my marketing resources page. And you most definitely want to subscribe to this YouTube channel and click that notification bell. Y'all have a wonderful day. Peace.